Hey guys, welcome back to Crazy Gamers. Today I'm gonna show you how to delete Stumble Guys account. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be updated with our new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the application. After that, click on Settings. There you will see various options from which you have to click on Privacy. There you will see Delete Account option. You have to click on Delete Account, and here you will see you have to type DEL in order to delete your account. So you have to type DEL and after that click on Delete. This might take few seconds to few minutes. And now your account is deleted. So this is how you delete your account in Stumble Guys. I hope you find this video very helpful. If so, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.